Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your NotebookLM problems are more frustrating than opening a notebook and finding that it loads forever, responds slowly, freezes during generation, lags while scrolling, or takes ages to process sources. Fortunately, most performance problems are caused by browser issues, oversized notebooks, network problems, source processing, bottlenecks, or temporary server-side slowdowns. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix NotebookLM not loading and being slow in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, check your internet connection. Like NotebookLM relies heavily on cloud processing, so verify stable Wi-Fi, strong signal, reliable broadband connection, no frequent disconnect. So even a fast connection can cause problems if it's unstable. So network issues are one of the most common causes of slow loading. Refresh NotebookLM properly, like instead of repeatedly refreshing, close the notebook, refresh the page once, reopen NotebookLM, wait for loading to finish. So repeated refreshes can interrupt processing. Okay, so one clean refresh is better than 10 rapid refreshes. Okay, reduce notebook size, like large notebooks can become slower over time, so consider removing duplicate files and used sources, outdated documents, irrelevant materials. Like smaller notebooks generally load fast, or faster, so focused notebooks perform better. Okay, wait for source processing to finish. Like if or NotebookLM is still analyzing sources, you may notice slow chat responses, delayed generation, loading indicator, laggy performance. To allow sources processing to complete before intensive use. Okay, so background processing affects speed. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.